Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the video. We're gonna be showing you guys the auction of the new car we're bidding on. Alright guys, but before we actually show you guys the car, before we actually get to the car, I just want to say a huge shout out to Octane, the sponsor of this video. Octane is an app where pretty much car enthusiasts can get together, do car meets. You guys can host your own car meets. You guys can, you know, when you're driving around, you can get together with your friends. It's a really cool app. As soon as you load it up, you guys can just look around the pretty much the application. It tells you where local car meets is. Like as of now, you guys can see that I'm hosting a car meet in the Delta Shores parking lot. This is just an example. You guys can create your own car meets down here, name it, do whatever you want to do, and you guys can also do what they call spirited driving, which is go in a group, find a group. Super cool, because I love mobbing with friends. It's like one of the funnest things to do when driving. But yeah guys, locate me, join the event. I want to see what kind of cars you guys are driving, what kind of mods you guys have on your cars. It'd be super dope. This is currently just a fake event, but when I actually host the event, at least I know what kind of cars you guys have, what kinds of mods you guys have. I really am curious, so make sure to join, create, you know, just create your car in your garage and join the event so I can just check out what you guys have. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the car after the time limit, which you guys can see on my laptop as well. In about 11 minutes, the M3 goes out in 3 minutes. It's like one of the first 3 cars. I have it open on my MacBook and I have it open over here on my desktop because I do not want to miss this auction. I really want this car. As you guys can see, it is pretty messed up, but it's all about the potential. It's all about the build. I want to restore this bad boy. We saved the 335. It was shot up. I want to restore this. It's a manual V8 with a red interior. It's like the ultimate dream setup for an M3. It is base package, but so, I mean, who cares? It's still got the manual gearbox, red interior, V8. So let's hope to God, I'm gonna put my all into this bad boy. It's a 2008. Yeah, so we have it open on both of these. Hopefully, good news will come. All right, guys, the auction is about to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Auction start.
Like some booty. Look at the people already here sniping and shit. Yeah, should we just go for a Mazda 2017?
Are you gonna pass out?
Yes, if I pass out, Jonathan, please do it for me, bro.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Oh my god. It's too soon. It started and now it's here. Like, oh my god.
Oh my lord. Just go, just hip and go. Oh, John.
Oh my god.
My hand.
Sold. Bonus time.
I think he maxed out at his limit. Guys, my heart.
Oh my god.
My heart. I'm about to pass out. Please! Yo, please! No way! I think we won, right? We think we won.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'll come back to you guys if he actually accepts the offer, because it is on minimum bid. Bro! Guys, so I think we are proud owners of an M3! Woo! So I just got the notification. So yeah, I don't want to show you guys the lot number or anything like that. Don't mind the closet. Oh shit! Don't worry about that. We're gonna go ahead. Hopefully I'm not covering up the microphone for you guys. I'm just waiting for them to tell me how much I owe them, figure how much money I got, borrow some money from other people. Because I don't have exactly how much I bid, because I still have to sell this 330i. I have somebody coming up to pick it up in the near future, like on Saturday. So I'm just gonna probably take a little bit of money from the bank, which shouldn't be that big of a deal because I'm gonna pay that back like next week. But I'm really excited. It said on my phone he accepted, but on the computer, if you guys can see, it says outbid, which is false, but you know. All right, guys, we are outside right now. We're heading over to the bank. Good news is we won the car, so hell yeah, he accepted the offer. He declined the offer 2 weeks in a row, and I didn't have the money 2 weeks in a row. So I think that's a sign that God wanted us to have it. I know it's messed up, but the whole point of builds on this channel is to do builds that I really don't think. It's to challenge myself, it's to do new things, and that's what excites me, and especially on a build that I really want to keep. So you guys saw the auction was on a BMW M3 manual, so I'm really excited about that. Let's go ahead, go down to the bank, pay the fees or whatever, some crazy amount of fees, and then we're gonna have to wait for them to call us back to let us know that we can actually go there. So we just got all the paperwork done at the bank. We had to go to a few banks because for some reason there's only one worker in each one, and they took about 10 hours each. But this one, she was super kind. The manager was like, as long as you get the payment done before 2, we should be able to send the payment to them, and then we would get it by 4, and Copart closes at 5. So we're really in a time crunch here. I've never actually purchased a car and paid for it and picked it up all on the same day. It's normally the next day, but I got school tomorrow, and ain't nobody got time for that. So We just signed the payment. It's about $153 right now, and I'll check back with you guys in about an hour, hour and a half. We're gonna head down to the area. So as soon as they receive the payment and give me the go, the green light, call my tow guy, and we'll pick up the M3. So super excited about that. We'll catch you guys in an hour, getting some Starbucks for my sister. We got 3 tall iced lattes, one for my sister, one for me, one for Johnny. So hopefully they're good. If I had a watch, it's approximately 2 p.m.
203.
203. So, thank you, Johnny. So, we were about to wait an hour, about to kill some time, probably play some Apex or look up some parts for the M3, because you know, your boy is so happy. So, great news. We're probably gonna look up some M3 parts. Screw Apex for now. Anyone who plays Apex, make sure to DM me on Instagram, because I need a team. Jonathan sucks ass. Yusuf sucks ass.
Wait a second now.
VR doesn't play. Ibrahim's garbage. Who else? I need to shout out. Anyways, super excited, boys. We'll catch you on a little bit. All right, guys, so we have our line. My boy over here, we got Jonathan back here. We're about to all head down to Copart right now, pay for this. I mean, we already paid for the car. We're gonna go pick up the car, hopefully get some insane thumbnail, because you know, that's like the whole key thing of a rebuild. Anyways, and we're gonna probably go down to Pick-a-Pole, see if we can get some parts for the M3 right off the bat. Just, you know, some parts that may match the M3, maybe the dash or something, we'll see. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys once we're out there. Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back. They reminded me that I actually need to record, because I forgot what I do for pretty much most of my time in my day. So we're here at Copart. We're about to go inside, give him my bidder's number, give him the lot number, and hopefully they can, dude, it's raining. Like, I don't think they're gonna make me wait outside, but gonna go in there, get the paperwork, and then the tow guy's coming in about 30 minutes.
You bought an M3 or no?
Nah, I bought a V8 Mustang.
Lie.
He says it straight to my face. No, dude. Nah, yeah. I mean, we picked it. We're waiting to pick it up. It's the M3.
Okay, E92?
Yeah.
Then pick. How bad is it? I'm assuming you're rebuilding it.
Yeah. It's pretty. I mean, anyone with the right mind would not rebuild it. I mean,
I buy it.
I bought it for content, Habibi.
Yeah, let's say you're not gonna be able to beat me on.
How much you pushing again?
I'm over 400 wheel.
That's it? She's home. Oh man, she's messed up. Alright, well, if you guys wanted content, you're getting content. So I have to sell a car to fix the car. That's how bad this shit is. Say goodbye to the tow truck driver. Peace out, man. Alright guys, this is actually like day 2. I'm back out here in the M3. It is a true blessing to say that we finally picked up my dream car, the M3. I'm so very happy to be able to sit in this car and just, you know, just play with the gearbox. It's like one of the funnest things. I've never owned an E90 chassis M3, and you guys know that I've had a 328i E92. It's my brother's car, but you know, I still experience the car. I've owned the E90 330i, which is the start of this channel. I've owned an E90 335i, and I was like, you know what? Why skip the best car of the E90 chassis, which is the M3, and go to an F chassis when I could just get the M3? And you know, to be quite honest with you guys, this car is not a cheap car. It's a very expensive car. But you know, there was one that literally came up at my local Copart. It's been out here for a month. The first week it went out, he declined the offer. There was an offer, he declined it. It got relisted for another week. And then he declined it again when someone sent in another offer. And at this time, I didn't have the money for it, guys. Why is my cousin calling me? Yeah, so the E92 M3 has been always a dream car of mine, and you know, he relisted it twice, and I finally saw. That's why I was kind of rushed selling the 335. For those of you guys who are like, why do you sell it so cheap? I was like, bro, guys, this car got canceled twice, and you know, it's in my local Sacramento Copart. It only costs me like 50 bucks to tow it to my house. It could be a sign. Let me go ahead, just sell the car cheap, take a loss on it, but yo, I can at least give the car to a new subscriber, and also at the same time pick up my dream car. It's possible. So I set the bid in. The bid in didn't go any higher than it was the last 2 weeks, but he decided to automatically accept it. And I was so ecstatic. I was like, we went to go check out this car a couple times. We showed you guys once on camera. The other 2 times he wouldn't let me even pull out the camera because it was in the same dude. And the other dude was like, not as cool, but whatever. We ended up going down. We picked her up. And it's my dream spec. It's like the red interior, the manual gearbox with the V8, and it's the coupe, not the sedan. I've loved sedans for the longest time, but when you get an M3, you kind of want that full sporty vibe, and the coupe really achieves that. The E92s have always looked great. I just love the E90s and how practical they are, but this car is not going to be a daily. It's going to be like a fun car, so excuse my cousins for constantly texting me. But yeah, that concludes the first episode, guys. If you guys are you know, ecstatic for me to take apart this front end, make sure to smash the like button. 500 likes, so we'll go ahead and take apart the front end and figure out, you know, if the engine is damaged. If I know the pulleys are damaged, so it did go as far as that. We could also check out the subframe is damaged, and all that stuff. Just check at the front end to see if everything is where it should be, or is the engine actually damaged, and did we take a huge, you know, loss on it. I don't think the engine is damaged, but we will find out in the next video. So make sure to smash the like button so you guys can see in the next video. But yeah, without further ado, don't want to hold you guys too much. If you guys want to see an episode ASAP, make sure to smash the like button, and I will get you guys that one as soon as possible. Love you guys so much. Remember to stay humble, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I can see my life.